Hello my friends, it's Magic here, and this is the box with my two new cameras. Do you want to see what's in the box? Do you know what's in the box? Let me know down in the comments if you're guessing, and yeah, let's just unbox it. This shouldn't be a surprise for you, and I'm gonna use this beautiful Leatherman knife with my initials on it and a Sony Alpha logo. I got this from Sony, so I'm pretty sure this is appropriate to open up the cameras. Let's do it. Okay, one from the top, one from the top. Whoop. Ooh. One Sony, two Sonys. So what is this and why I'm actually getting a new cameras this year? Last year I got two A7R5s, and these were my go-to cameras for my wedding photography work and basically all the work that I'm doing. So YouTube work, wedding photography work, except filming. I'm still filming with A7S3. This is the camera that is looking at me right here, and the top camera is actually my A7R5, so I still have one A7R5. I did already sell one of these, and probably I'm gonna put this one on sale as well, as I have two new bad boys. And if you have been following the channel, you probably know that I like to have two identical cameras. That's why if I'm switching my cameras, I'm just gonna switch both of them. So my Sony journey actually started with two A7R3s, then two A7 IVs, then two A7R5s, and now, wait, two A9 Mark IIIs. Is this the best choice for wedding photography? I don't know, you tell me. I made a whole video about this, like giving you my opinion about which camera is awesome for wedding photography. I believe that this is not the best choice, specifically price-wise. This is kind of overkill for weddings, but I did get a pretty good deal thanks to my partnership with Sony. They did offer a really good price, so I was able to snag two of these. I would probably, to be 100% honest with you, I would probably never do it if I would just shoot weddings, if I didn't have partnership with Sony, and if I didn't do YouTube. So because of those three things, I am upgrading my cameras now. Every year as they get new cameras, I'm selling the old ones, I'm getting the new ones, because I do want to shoot with the newest cameras. And specifically this year, I kind of want to just test out how good the A9 Mark III will be for my wedding photography. I don't mind like less dynamic range or things like that. What I want is the speed, and this camera is a monster of a speed. And since I'm using G Master lenses, I'm gonna be using like 120 frames per second. I actually can't wait to shoot some epic stuff at 120 frames per second to create those animations, GIFs. I kind of want to get into stuff like this. So that is why this is my new bad boy. I'm also very excited about being able to sync with flash at any speed. So recently I've been using a lot of direct flash during a day. This has become a trend like 2 years ago. So clients do want that look as well. And often it's just so hard to do it with like very bright prime lenses. So that is why I do believe that this one is gonna be awesome. So first thing that we have some papers. We do have this lock for the cables if you're filming with the camera. So every Sony camera comes with this. We have charging cables, two charging cables, UK one and the European one. So this is the European version. Obviously American version probably comes with just American one. Then we have some more papers that I never need. I'll just put it back here in a moment. And then we have a strap that I will never actually open. I always sell the cameras with like an entirely new strap. So this goes back here. This should be a battery. Yes, this is a brand new battery. Let's see if it's any different. No, it looks identical. I will need to mark this so I know like this is the new battery. We do have a charger. So obviously A7R5, A7S3, all the newer cameras, they come with chargers. This charger, I believe, is like super identical to every charger that I own, so I don't need this. I'll put this back here, I'll put this back here, and this is the time. This is the time to see the bad boy. Ooh, I'm excited actually. I'm really excited. I used to be the one not upgrading my cameras that often. I used to just, shoot my cameras forever and then upgrade every 3-4 years. But now, because of the nature of the things that I'm doing, it just makes sense. Makes more sense to have a new cameras. Bam. It's beautiful. How does it smell? It smells so nice. Just look at this. A9 Mark III, baby. It has a new grip, it has a new button here. I have never owned A9 camera actually. As I told you, A7R III, A7 IV, A7R5, and now an A9 Mark III. So this is going to be a very new experience for me. So we have the screen that I know from A7R5. We have the top dial known from A7R5 and A7 IV. We have the new bigger buttons here, C1, C2, like all of this is just way bigger. The grip is like a little bit different here on this side, and we have a new C5 button right here on the left. We obviously have known from A9 series and A1 series the dial, but this time the dial has a lock here, so I'll be able to just lock the position here, which I'm gonna do. I'm excited to try this out. If you actually want to try this out with me, you can do it in Iceland. I would love to have you this November. I'll be hosting an amazing event called It's a Kind of Magic Retreat 2024. So November 4th to 8th, I'm gonna be hosting this epic adventure. Only 15 people, and at this point I believe I only have 6 seats left, single beds left. So the whole event is 4 nights at a beautiful luxurious lodge, and the accommodation is included. So all these workshops that I often go to, they never have accommodation included. In this one that I'm doing, I just wanted to have all in one. So you're coming, you're staying with me in this amazing place, and we spent basically all week together from Monday afternoon to Friday morning. We're gonna have 2 days of shooting, 1 day of exploring Iceland together, a bunch of master classes. I'm gonna be literally teaching all I know about wedding photography, about framing, posing, marketing, personal branding, workflow, gear. All of that will be covered at this retreat. It's gonna be epic. I actually can't wait. I announced it yesterday, and yeah, you still have a chance to join me. The link in the description will give you the special offer. So $500 off if you book this week, so before Friday, the May 24th. So you're getting $500 off, and then you're getting my entire collection of digital assets. So all of my courses and presets are included if you buy the ticket for my retreat this week. Only 6 seats left with a single bed, and it's epic. So the rooms are 2-person rooms. It's gonna be super intimate, maximum 15 people. Look again at the images of that place. That place is just sick. It's beautiful. It's the most epic place that I literally found on the internet, and I just wanna hang out with you. I just wanna hang out with a bunch of people. I just wanna create this amazing experience so we can all have fun and enjoy the time after the wedding season. Link is in the description. Make sure to join before the May 24th. And what I am gonna do now, I'm gonna probably unbox the next A9 Mark III. I'm gonna play around with those. I'm so excited. I'm gonna set this up. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you would like to see from a wedding photographer's perspective using A9 Mark III. I will be making a lot of videos using these cameras. These are my new go-to cameras. And yeah, that's it. A simple video today. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy your day, and I see you in Iceland, hopefully. Ciao.